DCT-equipped Gold Wing models can assist you when manoeuvring in tight spaces with the use of its walking speed mode. To operate the motorcycle at walking speed, sit astride the motorcycle in your normal riding position with both feet on the ground. Make sure the transmission is in neutral and the side stand is up. Start the engine and apply the brake lever. Then press the walking mode switch on the left handlebar. The walking speed mode indicator will be displayed. To move the motorcycle backward, press and hold the shift down switch on the left handlebar and release the brakes. To move the motorcycle forward is very similar. Apply the brake lever, press and hold the shift up switch, then release the brakes. To end walking speed mode, operate the brake lever or the brake pedal. After the motorcycle has stopped, press the walking speed mode switch or press the neutral switch. Make sure the walking speed mode indicator turns off and the neutral indicator comes on.